Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Corsair HS headset to PS5 instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Corsair HS headset to a PlayStation 5, start by ensuring your headset is charged. If your headset has a detachable USB transmitter, plug it into one of the USB ports on the PS5. Next, power on your Corsair HS headset by pressing the designated power button. Once powered on, the headset should automatically enter pairing mode. If it doesn't, press and hold the pairing button until you see the LED indicator flash. On your PS5, navigate to the settings menu from the home screen. Select sound and then choose audio output. In the audio output settings, look for output device. You should see your Corsair headset listed among the available devices. Select your headset to set it as the primary audio output. Next, adjust the volume settings to your preference. If you wish to use the headset's microphone, ensure it is selected in the audio input settings. To test the audio, launch a game or application with sound. Make sure you can hear the game audio through the headset. If you encounter any issues, check that the headset is charged and the USB transmitter is securely connected. You may also need to restart your PS5 if the headset does not connect immediately. Once connected, you're ready to enjoy your gaming experience with your Corsair HS headset. Now you can immerse yourself in gameplay with clear audio and chat capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.